reading the two numbers from the user and performing the division related result. So previous days functions concept without exception handling, I created guys reading two numbers and performing division and return. If both are proper valid numbers, then okay. Otherwise, error throwing. Okay. So here while entering, check it guys. While entering here, first number 10, second number some ABC, string type I entered, then type error you are getting. Okay. So two numbers reading. Here the 10 is an integer type, here string type there ABC. 10 value, string type value sending to here. Okay. One is a int, one is a string trying to performing division. Both are different types. That's why type error raising. Here the which error raising? Type error. That is receiving by this, sending to here. So here matching with what? The zero division error, not matching. Trying to match in this one, not matching. So no other exception blocks there. That's why going to terminating abnormally. Before going to terminating abnormally, this finally block executing and terminating. So whenever we are reading inputs, guys, different because of different regions, we may get exceptions. We don't know users are going to enter what kind of values. So those all possibilities related we have to handle. So to overcome this type error related, for example, after the zero division error, simply immediately we are going to use except type error related also. Except type error. That error message also, if you want, you can load into the variable and then print here that he. Okay. So now here 10 and then ABC. So now see here unsupported operand types like that coming. Okay, this is the default message. So like this, you can handle guys exceptions related. A number of programs there. I'll give you some examples for today, and more I will post in the portal. And sometimes task based also there is they are giving some requirements and we're going to handling them. Okay, file handling related, how we are handling. So check it guys. Okay, functions only I'm creating, or without functions also we can write read file, and one file name is required for opening that. And now here read file of something file name we are going to give demo.txt, one text file I'm giving. This file is coming to here guys. This file is coming to here, and now this file name I want to open. Whenever we are opening, this file is available opening. Otherwise, error going to throwing guys. With open of file name. This is our file name guys. With which mode? Read mode. With the read mode as a file object. Okay. So now in that file, if any data is there from that file object, I want to read. And printing guys. So while opening this file, if any exception coming, then except file not found error raising guys. Then here the print file not found error, like we can print error file not found, or else file is not available for opening, like something message we can write. And then default message finally block also, if we want we can use finally block related file operation completed. If file is available opening and reading data, if not available file not found error raising. And now here print file operation completed. File operation completed, like that message I'm writing. Okay. So now here I'm trying to executing. Say file not found error coming. I means in this current location 83, and now here exceptionally, and now here no demo file. Create one file now if you want text file. So demo, and inside that create some lines of data. For example, Python is easy language, and next Python is a programming language. Okay, just like 2 lines data I created, and now here execute. So data we accessed. We got it data, guys. And after that, this is executing 1 line gap. If we want slash n can use, then line gap also you're going to get it. Okay, and using the with keyword, I open this file. So whenever this block completing, then automatically this file object closing. So no need to close. Without with the keyword, if you are opening the file object, if you are creating the file object, again that file object also inside the finally block, you have to close it. So now here the file if available opening and reading data. If not available, then not found like that error returning. Abnormally not terminating. Our program is not terminating abnormally. Are you understanding, guys? All of you. Okay, good. Now here login related. I want to check it, guys. Or else sometimes we are reading some input number, guys, input number, and that is we are trying to converting into it related. So if converting successfully, we'll print that. Otherwise, value error related returning. Okay, this kind of things already we did in coding, and from the list also, guys. For example, Python list concept we discussed, guys. So I want to send one list as input. In that list, particular index-based value I'm trying to accessing. So for that one program, def access a list element by indexing. Okay, simply list element like I'm writing. So LST as input, index as a second input. So 2 inputs I'm reading. First of all, call this list. So to this list, guys, to this function, send one list, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like some values there. Okay, and the index 3 I'm sending. Index 3 I'm sending. So this is the list object, this is index. This list is sending to here, this index is sending to here, guys. This index sending to here. So those both values we can use inside our coding. So now here try block I'm using, and now here print string format element at given index, simply element at given index. I'm going to display this one. So if that index not available, then index error may rise, guys. Then here the index error handling and printing invalid index. So error element not found, no, invalid index only. Okay. So simply here invalid index or else index out of range, like that can display message. Okay, now here see, guys. So 3 I given a third index. This is a 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. Okay, 3 index this one. So at the third index, what is there? 40 value is there. So 40 access element at given index 40. If I'm giving index here the 7 not there, then error invalid index. So if index available, accessing. If index not available, index out of error. Index error, simply index out of range, like that exception message displaying. Index out of range. If you want to get that message here as E, you can write, and that message also can print here. So error, simply error E. Error E. So now here list index out of range. Given index not available, that's why list index out of range like that returning. Okay. So dynamically these all things we can read it guys. So here the physically I sent. So which index related value they want to find out, that index value from the user you can read. Enter your index, something index entering. So that index related if available, returning and displaying. If not available, invalid index. Like that we are going to returning guys. All are basic programs only. Exception handling related, try keyword behavior, accept keyword behavior, else keyword behavior, finally keyword behavior, raise keyword, as keyword, like these all syntaxes if you are understanding. Later the functions, logics, how to creating these all you know. And list concept already explained with index related and all. So all together we are creating. Like this we are handling real-time coding. Number of examples can do it guys. So one login related I want to perform here. Or else enter your age, like we can ask if age less than 18, your age is invalid age. Or some, for example, if you want to get married, guys, if less than 18 there, so you are not eligible for getting married. More than 18 there, you are eligible for getting married. And multiple conditions if you are getting. Okay, 18 to 25 early age. Okay, 25 to 30. Okay, that is the next level. Okay, more than 30, so you are in the danger situation for getting married. Like multiple conditions you can write guys. Okay, so if more than 30 there is so you are unable to get married, like that you can write message. Okay, so you can do guys these all kind of things. And we can also read one input from the integer value we can read. And we can check guys entered value is a correct value or not. I mean, simply integer type value entering or any other type value entering, like I want to comparing. So if you entered value is a proper format there, then this is a so value you are entering, like message I want to return. Otherwise, if invalid value is there, again one more time ask enter value there. So 3 items only I want to access from the user. More than 3 items if completing, then so items complete like that, I want to display message. For example, is online username, online banking related user passwords we are using online banking. So 3 times if you are entering wrong passwords or usernames, after that for that entire day it is going to block. That entire day it is going to be blocking guys. Okay, 3 attempts are giving chance to you. Every time counting. You are entering one time, counting. Next time, counting. Next time, counting. If 3 times over, then blocking. Displaying one message. Your attempts completed today, try in next day like that. Okay, one bank insufficient funds related, we'll see here. Class insufficient guys. Insufficient funds, like one your different exception I'm creating, and no logic, simply your different exception I created. And the next I want to create my own function. Okay, def withdraw related guys. Withdraw related, I'm going to create one function, withdraw money. Simply withdraw function, deposit function like that. So here, if we want a withdrawing, then balance required, and withdraw amount also required. So what you want to withdraw? Okay, withdraw amount. Simply withdraw amount. 2 inputs. And now here the check it. So if withdraw amount, if withdraw amount greater than balance guys, greater than balance. Balance means available balance. Withdraw amount is more than available balance guys. So then I want to return this exception. I want to return this exception, right? insufficient funds, and the message we can write here. So not enough money, or is not enough balance in your account. Not enough balance in your account, like that I want to display. So if available, this condition failed means withdraw amount is less than to balance, then we can withdraw it. So how we are withdrawing? Balance minus equal to withdraw amount. So this is shorthand property. It means balance equal to balance minus withdraw amount. 10,000 balance there, withdraw amount is 5,000. 10,000 minus 5,000. Remaining balance 5,000 again assigned to the same variable. What is now we can print here. Print. So our withdraw amount we can print it as here. So F thing I'm going to use withdrawal successful, new balance, like we can write. Withdrawal successful, and here write new balance. New balance is like something going to displaying as new balance is something displaying. Okay, now here the accept insufficient funds, and print here and then E you can write. So this E we can create it here there like this. Okay, try and accept related, only two things are created. And now here the withdraw. This is our function, guys. Withdraw function. Something balance I'm sending. 10,000 I'm sending. 5,000 withdraw amount. First input is for balance. Second input is for the withdraw amount related. Both I'm sending. So now here, so withdrawal successful, and new balance is of 5,000. 5,000 completing as a withdraw, and the remaining balance is showing here. And next I'm going to give here 15,000. 10,000 actual balance, 15,000 trying to withdrawing. Then so not enough balance in your account. Not enough balance in your account. And if we want, we can also create a console based application, guys, using the while loop. For example, withdraw function, deposit function, balance inquiry function. Okay, like all functions separately creating. And later inside the while loop, 1 if we entered, withdraw, 2 entered, balance inquiry, 3 entered, deposit money. Like that options we can create. So which option user selecting, that option related function calling. When we are entering into the ATM center, guys, so please select your account, saving account, current account, like that maintaining, displaying. If you are selecting saving, so please select your required operation, withdraw, balance, like all there, and the buttons there. Which button we are pressing, that button related action going to performing. So that is called console-based application. So we can also do like that. Coming days in OOPS concept, I will let you know like that bank application kind of things. Got it? And one enter username, like I want to ask as if username is empty username, then I want to display message name cannot be empty. If you entered something valid name, then I want to display that name. So if we want to write like that, we can create one more function. For example, def valid name, or else validate the name, or validate the email, like different logic, right? It is. So here something name I'm going to take it, and now here inside the try block, we'll write. So if not name dot strip, not name dot strip guys. strip strip. But this is a function I'm using, strip function. Then raise value error related I'm calling value error. And now here name cannot be empty. Please enter a valid name like that. We can write name cannot be empty. Or else a print name is a valid name, like that printing. So now here the accept value error as E, and then print error and then E, like we can write. Okay, so now here validate name. So directly we can write here, or else something value we can read as here, something value. Okay, so here simply name equal to so input enter your name like that taking, and you are entering something name user name. This user name value sending to this function. So this value is coming to here. So here if any empty string there is empty value if we are sending, then here the name dot strip method behavior is what? Left side, right side, if any empty spaces there, removing. Finally, after removing, final name is there. So in that name, if no values there, no character there, only empty string is there, empty string, then it returns like a none. Not none means false related, guys. I mean, not none means like a true. None is like a false. Not none means a true. If true, then going inside and calling this function exception. So now here the enter username. I'm not entering, guys. See here the empty spaces I'm using. So name cannot be empty like asking. And here some spaces I'm giving Srini like I'm using. Okay, left side, right side, some spaces there. Strip method going to removing those empty spaces. Srini is a valid. Okay, so here you're entering some spaces, removing, guys. Name dot strip after removing, and here name is a valid name. Ravi. Then here Ravi is a valid name like that coming. Okay. So L strip, R strip method, the left side space, right side space, strip method, both side removing. Actually, okay, so check it that later. Okay, you can do, guys, practice like this, and for your practice purpose, okay, here number of example there. I will upload also, guys. Okay, check it here. File handling related, and convert input to integer format. Entered input to the integer format converting. So not entered integer value like the string value we enter, unable to converting, value error coming, message printing as. So list index related explained already. Custom exception under age error related. So under age error, like some exception I created and writing. So here a lot of programs there, guys. Okay, na? So 3 times attempting reading the input from the user. Okay, enter a number, wrong number if you are entering 3 times, then stopping too many failed attempts like that. If valid number entering, then displaying. Okay, check it, guys. Withdraw balance related I explained just now, and string checking related I explained just now like this, and JSON parsing error. If you know JSON related concept, so JSON is like a Python dictionary, curly brace format, key value format we are giving. So all the keys, double quotations format required. This is the invalid JSON. This JSON value if I'm sending to here, we have a JSON module. Okay, forget about this one. You don't know about the JSON and all. Coming days in module chapter, I'll let you know about this one. Okay. So if you know about the JSON related third part, this is a predefined module. In this JSON module, we have a loads method. So using the loads method, Python type data, JSON type data converting into Python type, that is we can print. So while converting, if any problem there, the JSON decode error problem coming and invalid JSON data like that, we can return. Okay, no? So finally block related there. And here some more example there is a task related. Divide two numbers given by the user. Handle the case when the user enters 0 as the denominator using try and accept. When user entered 0 as a denominator value using try and accept, validate like that, asking. Again, function related. First number, second number inside the try block only asking, performing division. If 0 division error coming, here handling. Value error, any other type of inputs entering here, value error raising, handling. Otherwise, the result printing. Finally, block printing. And these are the just symbols, guys. If you don't want these symbols in output, remove it. Or else these are some codes, guys. From the internet, you will get it. Okay, na? So these all are exception related codes. I mean, some symbols, guys. GUI symbols for understanding related. Okay, for every symbol HTML codes there is, those codes you can write here directly. Or else directly from the internet, that symbol you can copy and paste here. Okay, by default, Python scripting, and we are using what PyCharm ID. PyCharm ID, IDLE tool, these all are automatically understanding these all special symbols. Okay, automatically encrypting, guys. If not supporting encrypting related error showing, these all symbols encrypting supporting the Unicode format there, no problem. From the internet you can copy. So and sample outputs also are given, guys. File opening related there, and convert string related there. Okay, here the task related there, as per that you can do it, guys. So a lot of tasks there. Here mathematical operation for finding the square root values related giving. If entered any negative values related square values cannot calculate. Cannot calculate the square root of a negative number. A positive number there, its square value we are finding using mathematical math module related. Okay, na? So basic level question these things, and the next level little bit more there, guys, here. Okay, here the number of things there. If a number of files reading, guys, okay, enter a file name like that reading, and you are going to give file name. If that file is available, from that file all the lines of data reading. Okay, so if no data is there, here list of lines there. So in all the lines, if no data is there, here the true returning. Okay, no? So like that we are going to handling, guys. File, if file is empty, guys, no data to calculate the average like that here returning. If a file is having some data, then list of lines related empty list creating, each line we are getting. In that line, if empty space is there, removing that space using this. And then in that, if any data is there after removing this space, that is we are going to enter into this empty list. This all we know, guys, already append method and all. And the sum function, global function there. So in every line, average related finding I see here. Okay, you can check it. This all time is also completing. So here number of programs, guys, a task based related I created. Every program I executed and I tested. So check it properly. Okay, now? Yes, I'll stop now here. And the next Python with the database related we'll discuss, guys. Python with the database concept. So once that Python with the database concept completing, then one more main concept, OOPS concept there. Okay, Python with the database, so one is, and OOPS concept one. Two chapters are mainly there pending. And after that, advanced modules, NumPy, Pandas related will discuss. Or else before the exception handling, NumPy, before the OOPS also, we can discuss. Order is not important. Any order we can discuss. NumPy, Pandas related also. Okay, na? Yes, next week going to start one Django session evening. So any of you people interesting can join for the Django only for developing web application. If you want to becoming like a web application developer, Python based web application developer, you can choose that Django course. Otherwise, if you want to choose AI related, data science related, machine learning related like that, you can choose other course. Okay, no? Yeah, thank you.
Recording stopped.
Do you have any queries?